Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle, Mr. D1 at Blogspot.com. It's March 1st, 2021. I want to share some things I'm doing in my classroom right now as I prepare for concurrent learning to start 1 week from tomorrow. So we're doing S-Cube stuff, of course, and I'm going to keep doing that and sharing with the screen behind me for the kids that are home. We're working on our musical review with virtual rehearsals. We're going to do outdoor rehearsals coming up for about 50 of my 300 kids who are involved in that this year. But the thing that I think could be helpful and easy for a lot of you to use is the idea of doing dictation. And some of you probably are already doing it. But I want to keep their musicianship skills improving, right? That's my goal, all of our goals. So we started rhythmic dictation a while ago. I taught them the setup with the little ticks there. And first I clapped it, and then after a while I started doing singing. I would sing like solfege, and then as we prepared for melodic dictation, I started singing like a random syllable like D, all right? So today, they had a test on rhythmic dictation last week and did really well, so it's working. And then today we're starting melodic dictation. So I'm gonna show them this little grid, have them set it up. And of course, when I sing the example, I show it into the camera, which is up there, and hold it really close, and they can see if they did okay. It's going to be interesting when I have kids in the room, but I think what's important for me is to continue to find ways to improve their musicianship, that's a hard word to say, skills during this time. So I hope that helps some of you, and I hope you have a great week.